real crazy right now. I don't even understand what's going on, but you already read the title. You already know what this is gonna be about. What is up, you guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, you read it right, we are going to be doing a wig review. I haven't done one of these in like a long time. Okay, when I say a long time, I mean a long time. As you can tell, I'm coming back with a little bit more experience, more knowledge, and as you can see, looking like somebody's grandma. So the wig that I'm going to be reviewing today is Sensational What Lace wig in this style EZRA. I think that's how you say it. So I ended up actually picking up this hair at a beauty supply store, but I know that you can order this on a couple of websites such as Sam Type Wigs, Ebony Line, and I think another website is going to be Elevate Styles. By far, I love this brand. The fact that this is a synthetic wig, the quality of the hair, you would have never guessed this is a synthetic wig. That's all I can really say. So I'm gonna open her up. You already know what to do. So I got her in color 2. I was gonna get her in one of these really cool colors. The color that I wanted, they didn't have, so I ended up just going with a basic 2 color because, you know, I like me a good natural looking wig. I'm gonna take her out the package. I'm gonna throw that over there. She is cute out the package. I'm gonna take this off. Oh, this wig does out the package come very protected, and it even has these little clips here to protect the lace front. Take these off. Same. So like I said, this wig is very secured. Out the package, the hair feels really soft. Like, it's not synthetic fibers where you can tell the hair is very synthetic-y. That makes sense. I don't even know if that makes any sense. So as you can see, I'm gonna show you the lace. She is definitely giving pre-plucked. Mind you, this is a 13 by 6. This does come with an elastic band. For all my small-headed girls, this elastic band is definitely gonna be securing the wig. It comes with pre-made baby hairs. She's definitely pre-plucked. You already know me. I'm gonna pluck her some more. Yeah, she's looking really cute out the pack. Definitely looking flat. Like I don't feel like I need to use ironing comb and just to kind of flatten her up. I will say this might be a little easy to cover the knots because the knots aren't like super thick. Like, I don't like that in a wig where the knots are super prominent, like you can tell, and even when you do have concealer and you have the wig cap on, you can still tell. The lace itself, it looks pretty good. So this is called a transparent lace, so it's not giving HD. So for all my ladies who do not know what I'm talking about, HD lace just means it's very thin lace, which means it's easier to blend. Transparent lace just means it's gonna give you an HD effect. You're gonna have to take a little bit more time blending in and making sure it's really laid, because if not, you can automatically tell that the lace is lifting if you don't do the gluing process right. So the wig cap that I like to use, especially now, I like to use this particular wig cap. For some reason, I feel like it does an amazing job at just laying like all my flyaways down, and then when I do the bald cap method, I just feel like it lays so much better than a regular cap. If you're trying to learn how to do the install, that's going to be a whole nother video. Okay, I'm going to tell you that right now, because this is a solely dedicated video to just doing a wig review on the hair straight out the pack. But I am going to be making a video on how I do the install. I know I have a couple of videos, but I felt like I wasn't as detailed. So I know a lot of you guys right now are like judging the hair because it's not styled, but looking at this hair, it seems pretty good out the pack. Like I said, it feels really, really good. Like when you touch it, it feels really good. Ooh, this is cute. You guys see what I'm talking about? Look at this. Y'all see this? She does not need that much work, but knowing me, I'm gonna put just a little bit of extra work, just a teeny tiny bit. And as you can tell, this is a 13 by 6. So some people are like, what the heck is a 13 by 6? That just means the lace is literally starts from here all the way back here. Okay, so you can literally part further back. Y'all see that? That's how far your parting can go. So now when it comes to like here, the lace stops right here. This wig is giving vacation, take me out on a date, classy, but never trashy. You know what I'm saying? This is cute. I actually like this wig. I feel like this wig is really, really beautiful. I like it. This is definitely gonna be one of my go-to wigs besides my banged wig that I usually like to wear. So I'm basically gonna go ahead and install the wig. I'm about to style her and then I'm gonna come right back. But she's giving. Make sure you check out the install video to this unit over here. Okay, girl. Peace. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching today's video, especially on this wig. This wig is definitely giving. I definitely want to get my husband's reaction because I know he's been looking at me and I've been dusty, crusty these couple days, or should I say weeks. Oh, I am just super thrilled to review this wig. Mind you, this is not a sponsored video at all, but I think Sensational should definitely sponsor me because girl, we just bodied this wig. Definitely comment down below some more wigs that you want me to review or brands that you want me to review, because I know I'm going to be making another wig video, but just kind of telling you guys the tea on how I find really good quality synthetic wigs. So if you guys are interested in that video, stay tuned. But with that being said, stay crusty. Bye.
They say she get it from her mama. I'ma say you fucking right. Body rude is unpolite. Don't be in the humble type. Tell me, is you down? Cause I'm trying to go up tonight. Jose, who you